Alright, we're on a repair this week. Right now, got the cable line running exactly where we gotta go. We're gonna put a lift station out here. That's where the tank's at. And then we're gonna pump it back into the backyard because it's the only space, very limited space, but it's the only space to put the drain field. See the room we have right here. My test hole. Was able to get some chambers thanks to my dad. He had some, so we went and got just enough to do this job from him, and then they're delivering us half a pallet, so about 60 chambers they're going to deliver to us today, so we'll be able to get some more jobs done this week. We're using the ARC chambers. Not a huge fan, but they're chambers. It's better than having to use 9 pipe or easy flow or any of that crap, so we're going to get that done real quick. Alright, we got that lift station. It was tight. Nowhere to put dirt, nowhere to sit. See the space between here? I don't think the camera could have caught that, but it was tight. We haven't got the riser on yet, or the pump in, but there it is. Then we had to hand dig. We hand dug down through here because it was just too tight to dig. It would have made more of a mess, plus the cable line going through here. We're going to start on the drain field right now. Basically just shoot grade, go down 18 inches. That gives us our 6 inches of cover. And then the chambers are 12 inches tall, so it's 18 inches below grade, bottom of the drain field. And it's perfect sand. Hopefully we'll be out of here before the shade disappears. Alright, we got the hole dug out. Tight son of a gun. Found an old bowling pin. Now we're going to lay these chambers in. The good old arcs. Thanks to Atomic Septic for hooking me up. My dad. It's hot today. But we're going to get these chambers laid in, run the pipe, set the pump up. The electrician's here now, putting in an outlet. So put the alarm, put the pump, get everything piped in, the riser. Sorry, I'm standing next to that AC. And then from there, we'll be done. Come back and covering this is gonna be very tedious. It's not gonna be fun. Nothing about this job's fun. But we're gonna lay these in real quick so we can get out of this heat. Alright, we got it all finished up. Chandler is concreting in the tank right now, sealing it up. You see the line, pump line 1.5 inches behind me. Drain field all laid in. 15 arc chambers. We got everything else all buttoned up and taken care of, so we're gonna get out of here. It'll be inspected in the morning, and then we'll cover it. So shouldn't take long. Hopefully they do it early so we can get out here earlier and get it knocked out. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. We got our early inspection like we wanted. We are here to cover. It's going to be tedious. A lot of stuff is piled against the fences and all that stuff. So I'm gonna get on it real quick, see if we can get it knocked out before it gets hotter. So get at you guys when we're finished. on the next job. On this one, it is 375 square foot. The existing system is only 2 years old, so it's all right here. You see the tanks with the risers. The drain field is right there. It's blowing out and running down into the ditch down there. So first thing we gotta do is find the 1.5 inch, the old pump line, cut it, start ripping out all these chambers, piling them up, and then we'll see where we're at with grade, order some fill, all that stuff, lay in the new chambers. We're using the arc skin today, so we're gonna rip this drain field out. Finish stacking this and then we'll start grading. Got all the drain filled out. There it is. I see no reason. I don't know why it was failing. There was not even any water in the drain field at all. Nothing was moist, nothing was wet. So the original drain field that was in here wasn't too close to the water table or anything. So I really don't know what happened. But we're gonna get the new drain field in right now. This one is finished up, got it installed, nice and shallow, nice and level, very pretty. If it looks like I'm about to pass out, it's because I probably am. It's one of those really hot Florida days. If you guys noticed on the footage, I had to stop the machine and open the hood. The machine started overheating. Coolant level's fine. Everything seemed to be okay. When I opened the hood, it went back to normal. I think it is just hot. It's a ridiculous day. The fan was on. It's just one of those Florida days where it's dangerous to be out here either So on that note, I will see you in the morning on the next job. We're putting in a tank and drain field tomorrow. Should be pretty quick, hopefully. So we'll be on that. I'll see you guys then. This one is getting a new tank. It's gonna go right where my bucket's sitting. Well, that's the old tank, is where my bucket's sitting. New tank's gonna go on the other side. Had a blowout this morning as soon as we pulled out of the lot in the pump truck because we needed to abandon this tank. So now my dad is he's out pumping tanks today and pretty close. So he's gonna swing by and pump this down for us so we can abandon it at some point today. But this drain field is a new tank, 1060 infiltrator tank, and then we're gonna put 15 ARC 24s in, which is 225 square feet of drain field. And then there's also a laundry line that right now just runs out into the yard, and we're gonna run it into the new tank like it should be. So that's today, and then inspections are going on for other jobs we have going on, and once those are approved, the plan is to cover this one and the one we did yesterday tomorrow. Hopefully that all works out. Right now I'm gonna go grab the tank off the trailer and haul it back here. We got the tank in, kept collapsing. We hit the old drain field and water come into the hole. It's miserable. I need a little bit bigger machine. My machine keeps getting too hot. I don't know if it's because it's absolutely an inferno outside. It was 80 something degrees at 6:30 this morning. So it's hot. I think that has something to do with it. So I just open it in the hood and it goes back down to normal. But there's the tank. This is the old tank. My dad's on his way to pump it down for me so I can crush it. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do it so we can go, because it's hot. It's not even 10 o'clock yet, and it's probably 93, 94. Feels like a million. Alright, we got the drain field. Well, we have 3 more chambers to lay in. I had to dig it out. We're a little short. Grading it right now so we can throw the final 3 in, throw some end plates on it, and go and search for some AC and some food. It's freaking hot. Still got a pipe in the drain field. That's a quick header. Maybe like 6 feet of pipe. It's right up next, 18 inches off the tank, which is code here in Florida. That's it. And we're gonna lay these 3 chambers. We're gonna pipe it in. I'll show you guys that right now. that's the end of this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram at Lakeland Septic Company. Appreciate you guys watching. See you on the next one.